Welcome to Best Car Fixes. This is Muhammad Harun Idris. Please subscribe, share, and like. Today we have a 2019 Nissan Altima. I remember one of my follower, he asked me, a subscriber, where is the OBD2 connector for the Nissan 21 Nissan Altima and Maxima. This is the OBD2 connector here. That's the location for it. Okay, this car, if you notice here, we have two things. Okay, let me turn the key off. Turn the key on. Okay. You're gonna see if you turn the key on, start the car. I believe you're gonna see the car sign and the mirror or the glass. You see the glass? Forward camera. It have a problem because it's not. Maybe there is a problem, and then in a few you're gonna see the sign of the accident or collision sign. Okay, let's try to diagnose this car and see what happened before we can do configuration or anything. So on this car I will go and do the whole Nissan Altima sedan, and it is 2019. This one here, you gotta, there is two Altima. Maybe this Altima, the new one supposed to be here. From 2019 and 2021 is the new selection. I'm gonna wait a little bit. This one become gray. Not yet. We're gonna wait for this to become gray, and then so it take us to the next level. Altima, I'm not able to read the VIN number, which is very funny. I'm supposed to be able to read the VIN number. If I am not, we're gonna wait a little bit. Then we can run the diagnostic to confirm what code we have. Still, this car, they have aftermarket tools, but it still is working. 2019. Most of them are good. Just let's go here. This one, it take time, but we have to be patient and wait. Aruba, beautiful flag, I believe. This is the design for this car. The push button is here. There's the trunk. The dimmer for the brightness. This is the brightness for the cluster. If you want it to be less or more, you push here. Okay, here we have here on the laser radar, we have one code, and then control module P062 Frank. Radar is 10 CM system operation obstruct blocked. Okay, alignment or adjustment incorrect. Razor beam off center alignment or adjustment incorrect. So in this car here, we have alignment or adjustment are incorrect on the laser. Engine control module, we have one code. Let me see next what we have. Distance sensor off center, alignment or adjustment incorrect, passed. So let me try to clear all this code, or just go to radar. I'm gonna click on radar to see what I have. This is a code on the radar system. We say razor beam off center alignment or adjustment. Radar is 10 CMP system operation obstruction or blocked. So there is a problem there. Maybe they move it, maybe it need to be corrected, it need to be adjusted. I am not sure if the windshield have a problem or used windshield, but I know that it's in the front and it need to be adjusted correctly. So let me try to see if I can clear it. Ignition is on, raise. You can go, but it may come back again. Close it. Yeah, this have to be adjusted. On the work support, alignment, this one here, it may need special tools. You see, you have to fill out those radar adjustment, left degree, you have to fill out those, and then from there you start it. Radar alignment condition are ready. Let me see if it can take it. Operation has been stopped due to the following: vehicle state does not satisfy the execution condition. Points from the ECU refer to the service manual. Okay, so retry. You need to put some numbers here, I believe. And I don't know if you need to put some. Okay, vehicle not moving, engine on, target board set, please touch the button. Okay, we don't have no target board, we don't have nothing, so you cannot get it. So please just have the information, what we're talking about it, and you have the code is still there. As I told you, those codes are not going nowhere. Engine control module, I have one code on the engine. You see control module, erase, I don't know what that means, P062F00. Okay. I'm supposed to clear this code. Close. I clear it. I don't know what that means, what it have to do. Okay. Go back. You see here now I have the razor beam off center. All the other could be go away. Let me erase everything. Sorry for the inconvenience. Let me 90%. I know one will stay there. You see the distance off center, alignment. This one need a tools, need an aim, something to aim on it. It's just like a wheel alignment. So we need to do that. Please subscribe, share, and like. And if you have any question, feel free to ask. This is Muhammad Harun Idris, Brooklyn, New York, United States of America. Thank you for watching.